Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here. Welcome to Throwback Thursday, and look what we have today. Kind of a theme going on here. This says Indian, but it's actually a Royal Enfield. It's an Indian made by Royal Enfield. It's a 1956 700. This is the precursor to the Constellation we did a video on earlier, and to the Interceptor that we did. This is before those two bikes. The motor is like I think it's still about a 792. I'll look that up and put it below if I'm wrong. 4-speed, 1 up, 3 down. Absolutely gorgeous thing. Magneto, Amal carb, twin cylinder, twin leading shoe brakes. Look at this, all fresh paint. Everything's been powder coated, the frame, all that neat stuff. He got this bike about 6 months ago and he tore it down to nothing. Last time I saw this, it was in pieces. And as of last night, he finally got it running. The big thrill is I was able to put about a dozen miles on this thing today. And I'm still euphoric from that experience. Everything worked really well, including the brakes, amazingly. Just a gorgeous machine. The frame on this bike, the engine is part of the frame. The frame ends right here in the front. Starts again underneath the transmission. The transmission is bolted to the engine. Kickstart only, of course, magneto. I don't know if it has a battery in here or not. I don't know why I would have one. Drum brake on the rear. Speedo drive back here. Here's your chain adjuster. Inside shocks. Those are the original mufflers that originally came with the bike. We think they are anyway. But look at that, isn't that just gorgeous? Coming up here, giant speedometer. I doubt those are original miles. Amp meter, as all these old bikes had. I love this linkage here, the big long brake, left side brake. The brake switch is right here somewhere, I think. Anyway, look at that, isn't that just gorgeous? Foot peg. I suppose there's supposed to be rubber on that. Just a gorgeous thing. He just fresh off a restore, absolutely fresh. It's got the twin shoes on the front. And if you look here, there's 2 cables on this front brake, and that's to run one for each shoe. There's one on the left, and then there's one on the right brake cable. Of course, the external oil lines. You know, isn't that just a thing of beauty? The whole thing is just gorgeous. A month ago, this was all tore apart. Last time I saw this, it was all tore apart. He does great work, absolutely fabulous work. Isn't that just beautiful? And I'm proud to say I was able to ride the thing. Just yeah, look at that front fender. Just a beautiful thing. You know, we've been on a roll with this. Last week I did the 750, 1966 750. The week before we did the, I think it was the 1963 700. And then this is the precursor to that, the 1956. Like I said, this was made for Indian by Royal Enfield. If you look at those bikes, they're the same as this. It's just this plate is different. Isn't that just gorgeous? Fabulous in every way. Got that giant cast aluminum center stand. Indian head right here. Look at that piece. Isn't that just wow? Made in England on the frame down there. Horn. Crankcase vent tube. It's kickstart only, of course. Just a beautiful thing. Look at this brake adjuster. Wow. Here's the side stand. Apparently he has a different side stand for that too. We were talking about that earlier, but this is the one he has on the bike today. Everett bought this bike. You may have heard me mention Everett before. He's really good at this kind of thing. This is a constant thing that he does over and over. He buys these old bikes up, turns them into something beautiful like this, rides them for a while, sticks them in his shed, keeps riding, takes them to shows, all kinds of neat things. Anyway, just a beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous motorcycle in every way. After riding this, you know, I love looking at these motorcycles. I just love looking at them. They're rolling hard to me. To have the opportunity to ride one of these, like I did this one today, just absolutely amazed. So much low end torque. It ran so well. The transmission was smooth. You did have to push to get it in gear. They were known for that. It, like I said, low revving, lots of low end torque. I had the speedometer indicating 70 at one point. I wasn't trying. He was riding my bike. I was trying to keep up with him. We think the speedo might be off by 10 though. So, but just a beautiful, beautiful thing. Let that just soak in. Absolutely gorgeous machine, isn't it? Y'all ever seen one of these? What do you think of these hot rods? Comment below, would you? Next week I've got, maybe we'll do something other than a Royal Enfield, but for now this is what we have. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful thing. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching Throwback Thursday. It's a beautiful day. We're at a bike show. I'm gonna go enjoy this, then I'm gonna go ride. Y'all need to do the same. Wahoo!